Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all know while learning to speak in English fluently and confidently, the first and the foremost thing we have to do is create an English environment around us, right? And the second thing is we have to start thinking in English. These are the two things which anybody and everybody advises us or tells us to start doing so as to speak English fluently and confidently. And trust me on this, it is very true and it does help. The first example is we are not in an English speaking country, right? If we have been in an English speaking country, it would have been much easier for us to start speaking in English, because every now and then we would be listening to English, we would be responding to English, and in the meantime we would have been learning also in English to speak English, right? But here all these things are not possible. So what we have to do is we have to first create an English environment so that we keep on listening to English every single day so as to respond or pick up the language and start speaking. The other thing is we have to start using our brains or start thinking in English so that when we are speaking in English, our brain helps us to decode the language, understand the language, and helps us with words and sentences and ideas to help us speak in the language or speak in English. So these are the two important things which we have to start doing or start practicing right from day one. Now, what if I tell you there is one technique which can help you to start creating an English environment around you and to start thinking in English as well? This one technique is very simple, very easy, very basic, and it is definitely going to help you to start speaking in English, whether it is creating an English environment around you or you start to think in English. So, if you start practicing this technique, definitely you are going to become fluent and confident in speaking in English in no time, effortlessly. But yes, initially you have to take some efforts to practice this technique. That effort is required, and once you pick up this technique, it will be very easy for you to start speaking in English and having conversation with anyone, anywhere, anytime, on any topic. Trust me on this. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, there's no harm. Like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire content to master this skill. One more thing guys, I emphasize on practice sessions, and I have a long list of practice sessions. In every other video I have spoken about on any topic in English. I've taken up basic English conversational topics and I've spoken on different hundreds of topics in English. If you start taking one video every day of mine and start practicing it on that topic after listening to me, you are definitely going to be fluent and confident in speaking in English in no time, or maybe after a month as well. Start practicing in this way and let me know if it has helped in the comment section. Now let's get back to the topic. So what is that one technique which will help us to create an English environment around us and which will help us to start thinking in English as well, to help us in our conversations or having a conversation with people in English? Okay, when we are in actual situation. Now this technique is called self-talk. This is a very basic, very simple technique which everybody tells you probably. Yeah, but the impact is much larger. If you start practicing this technique, it is definitely going to help you a lot to make your journey smooth, convenient, effortless, and short as well. Okay, now how to practice this technique I am going to tell you. Now, what does self-talk means? Self-talk means talking to yourself. Okay, now a lot many times we are alone, right? When we wake up, when we go to bed, when we are sitting and eating, probably when we are taking a walk or hitting a gym or doing anything, just watching a television or a mobile or a YouTube channel or anything. So we are alone. We spend a lot of time with ourselves, right? Doing something. So if we start utilizing that time and start talking to ourselves in English during these times, it is definitely going to help us to practice English speaking in the most effective and efficient way. Now I'll tell you how. When you wake up in the morning, you have time, right? To drink some water or you go and brush your teeth, and then you feel a little lazy, When we wake up, we feel a little lazy. So that is why some people prefer doing 5 minutes or 10 minutes of yoga or some exercise to just gain some energy back, right? Or some prefer to just relax, do things slowly. Okay, like what I do is I drink a glass of water and then I go and stand in my balcony for 5-10 minutes to relax, to calm myself down. And then I come back and start doing whatever things I have to do, what is scheduled, right? So everybody has some time during mornings. I know it's very busy as well, but we just relax for at least 5 minutes, right? When we wake up, we switch off our alarm and then again we want to take a nap or we want to just lie down on our bed. That is also a time which we have. Now what we can do during this time, we can just start thinking about what next we can do or what I have to do, right? Just a small plan we can just start talking about. Like, suppose I woke up in the morning and I had a glass of water and then I came to my balcony and I'm standing in my balcony. While I'm standing in my balcony, I'm just thinking about what my plans are, what I have to do next. So how do I talk to myself at that stage, or what do I talk to myself? So the first thing I speak about is I have to go brush my teeth, take shower, and then I'll get ready for work. After getting ready, the first thing I'll have is my breakfast and tea. Once I'm done with my breakfast and tea, I'll plan for my day and then I'll leave for work. Simple. Very simple. Right? So I'll just think about or speak up about a rough plan of my day, like what I'm going to do next. I'm going to brush my teeth, I'm going to shower, I'm going to dress up for office, and then once I'm done with these things, I'll have my breakfast and tea, and once that is over, I'll plan for rest of my day, how it is going to be like, what I have scheduled, what is scheduled, I'll check everything, I'll prepare something, and then I'll leave for work. Okay, it's not at all time taking. It takes very less time to speak about it. So this is one time when I'll think about what I have to do. I'll come up with my plan. I'll talk to myself about it. Then I'll rush and I'll go and I'll do everything and then I'll leave for work probably. Okay, on the way again I have some time. What can I do? If I'm driving, what I can do is I can listen to some English music or songs. Okay, so this is how I can do. Or else what I can do is I can just listen to some podcast or audio books in English. Whatever I feel like at that time. Okay, when I'm driving. If I'm not driving, if I'm sitting, I can just start describing what I can see. Right? If you're riding a bike and all, you have to concentrate on that. But if you're not riding a bike, you're sitting back or you're in an auto rickshaw or a bus or a taxi or cab, you can start describing whatever you see in English. If you are with other people, you can just speak in your mind, in your brain. You know that, right? How you can speak without murmuring. So you can follow that. Or else what you can do is you can put your headphone and you can start speaking so that people will think that you're talking to somebody or, anything else. Nobody has enough time to think about what you're doing or, you're crazy. So you can just put your headphone and you can start talking to yourself in English about what you can see. Just start describing everything very slowly, easily, in a relaxed way. You don't have to take pressure, you don't have to take tension about it. Whatever you see, just talk about it. I can see a road. There's so beautiful flowers there. I just saw a red car. It looks so beautiful. Okay, and a lot many things you can describe. You see a lot of things while you're traveling. Bus, trucks, vehicles, people not following traffic rules, people standing on tea stalls and vada pav stalls and eating, having breakfast. You can just describe anything and everything, whatever you wish. That is another time where you can self-talk. You can talk to yourself in English. So this is another time when you are spending time with the language or English. You are trying to create an English environment around you and you are trying to start thinking in English simultaneously. Right? Both the things you're doing simultaneously while speaking in English to yourself. Right? So there's an advantage, guys. Now you reached your office. You reached office. You have meetings, whatever. So you complete everything. Whenever you are free, when you are on a tea break or a snack break or afternoon lunch break, whenever you get time, just start thinking about how your day was or what you're going to do next, right? Or how was your meeting? Or how is your schedule like today? What task you are allotted today? Right? How your day is going to be, whether it is going to be busy or not that busy. You can just think about it and talk to yourself for just 2 minutes, guys. It doesn't even take 2 minutes for you to speak on it. Right? So take out 2 minutes whenever you're relaxed after a meeting or during a tea break or during lunch break or after lunch break when you start taking a walk. You just start thinking about how your day is going to be or how is your day like till now. Or not even that, if you can just talk about how was your meeting. Right? What task have you been allotted? What are you going to do next? Whatever. So in between, you have to take out time to start speaking in English to yourself about what is happening. How is the day going? Or what are your plans next? Or what are you thinking right now? Anything will do, guys. If you're not in office, you're in college, you're in school, or you're at home. We all think what next we are going to do. What are our plans like? We all know. We all know what we are doing right now. So we have to just take out some time to describe that, and that's it. Okay. So you again talk to yourself about your day, about your meeting, about how it's going to be like. Okay, now here I'm only talking about self-talk. I'm not going to talk to your colleagues in English or speak in English at the meetings. That is at the next stage. Okay, you have to do all of it. When you're confident, you can start doing that. You can start talking to people during meetings in English, talking to your manager in English, talking to your colleagues in English, talking to your friends in English. A lot many opportunities which you can utilize, right? Here I'm specifically talking about self-talk, where you can create an English environment around you and you can simultaneously start thinking in English. Okay, so this is another time when you can speak in English to yourself. Now again, you are back and you are doing your work. Again, you can take a snack break or a tea break. We take breaks, right? That time also, whatever you feel like, you can just talk about it. You can talk about your snack or tea, what you're having, right? Oh, this tea is very nice. I like strong tea. The sugar is also perfect. I don't like my tea to be too sweet. So this is perfect for me. And I'm having an onion bhaji. It's also very crispy and it's very hot. I like hot and crispy snack during evenings with tea. Whatever. Just start describing your food, your thoughts, your mood at that time, or your activity or action, what you are doing. Just describe that. So take that moment also and start talking in English. Come back again, do your work. You have to leave for home now. Again, while you're traveling, you can start speaking in English to yourself, or you can listen to some stuffs in English. It's basically you have to create an English environment and you have to start thinking in English. So for that, you can either listen to something or do self-talk the whole day. Okay, again, while traveling, you can talk to yourself or listen to something in English. When you're home, relax, have tea, snacks, or maybe dinner, go for a walk or hit the gym or do some exercise, whatever you feel like. And when you come back, you want to relax before going to bed. Take out that time and talk about your day. Take up any incident which has happened to you and you can start describing that incident. Something good, something bad, something exciting, something surprising, something not so good, etc. Whatever you feel like, you take an incident and you can start describing that. Or if you have any other thoughts in mind, you can just start talking about it. Even you can talk about your manager, your team, your colleagues, anybody if you want to talk about that person or any situation or any incident. Whatever you feel like talking, you can just speak to yourself for 2 to 3 minutes before going to bed. And once you go to bed, you can just listen to some audiobook or podcast and you can sleep. It helps in sleeping also. When you listen to audiobooks or podcasts or anything else, when you're listening to something, it helps you in sleeping also. It does help me. I do this. I listen to stuff before sleeping or while sleeping. So I listen to it, half of them I listen and then I switch off my mobile and I sleep. So in this way, you can start creating an English environment around you. You can start talking in English. You can start thinking in English also, right? So early in the morning when you wake up, you can talk about your plans in English. Next is when you are traveling, you can speak to yourself in English. After the meetings, during tea breaks or lunch breaks, you can talk about it in English, about your day in English or your lunch in English, whatever you feel like. During snack also, you can talk about your snack or tea or anything which is in your mind, you can speak about it in English. Again, while traveling back home, you can speak in English or you can listen to stuff in English. Sixth time when you can do is before going to bed. When you have come back from gym or walk or any exercise or now you want to relax and go to bed, you can talk about it in English, about any incident, any person, anything which has happened to you, or simply about how was your day like. You can speak about it in English. So 6 times you can speak in English to yourself. You can do self-talk. And this is more than enough, guys. If you start practicing this, sometimes you might forget when to speak in English, right? So it will take some time to get into the habit, to build up a routine or to build up a habit. So try to think about what time you are going to speak in English and you have to follow that routine. I would suggest set an alarm for different timings, so that you get reminded about it and you can start practicing this. So it will take some time to get into the habit or practice of doing this. And once you're habituated, when it becomes a habit, it will be very easy for you to practice this without any alarm. So set up an alarm, start doing this. This is just an example which I've given. You can talk in English any time of the day. Whichever time you're convenient, you can just set up the alarm and you can start speaking to yourself in English about anything, right? This will help you to start thinking in English and create an English environment around you, so that when tomorrow you have to speak in English to people or have a conversation with people in English, you will not hesitate, you will not be shy, you will not be intimidated, and you will not forget words or sentences or ideas. You will be able to face that situation and you will be able to speak in English in that situation. Trust me on this. Start practicing this technique and you'll see how easy it is for you to start speaking in English anytime, anywhere, with anyone on any topic. Well guys, that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.